So this is my new ZD Racing Thunder ZTX-10 kit. Just been building it up. Put a 3300 kV 3S brushless motor and a 3S ESC in there. I'm just waiting to get the servo for it. Did the stickers on it just before and put this back wing on. So the body's all done. Kind of been very impressed with these ZD Racing kits. I think they're really good quality, so decided to get another one after got the Hoonigan. So the ESC just fit under there, which is really good. It's a little bit bigger than the ESC inside the Stealth. So I'm going to chuck a servo in it, put a battery in it, get it all wired up to this receiver here. Then we'll take it out for a run and we'll see how well it goes. So the kit itself was $160. The motor, servo and receiver would have come to about a total of about another $100. So all in all, about 260 Australian dollars for this entire build. Could have made it a lot cheaper if I hadn't have put a brushless system in there and everything, but you do what you want, it's your toy. Alright, I'll get a servo put into this, we'll turn it on, we'll see how it goes, and we'll take it for a drive. So, see you in a minute. Alright, had a spare servo laying around, so we've got a servo in there, so I'm just going to charge a battery, and then we're going to take this out for a test run. The servo and the radio will both be getting swapped out, obviously, once the actual ones arrive, but they've been delayed due to COVID and stuff, so still going to be waiting on a little bit for them, but at least we've got some spare parts to get us through until then. So let's take it out for a rip, see how it does. Alright, ZTX-10, first run, brushless motor, 3S. Alright, let's see if we can get it full throttle. Yep, pinion came off. Alright, let's get it back in the shed and we'll tighten that up. Okay, well, the pinion didn't come loose. This is an interesting little thing I've never actually happened before. So, this is a brass pinion. It's actually shaved the brass off the pinion gear on this one, so I'll have to try and get a metal, like a steel one for it. And obviously this wasn't over tightened or anything, mind you, either. This was meshed correctly, so obviously brass pinion on metal spur gear on this particular car with the KV motor I'm running, a little bit too much for it. So I think I might have some steel pinions laying around somewhere, so see if I can find them, and we'll chuck a new pinion on this one, because check that out. I don't know if you guys can see that very clearly, but all that little gold flaky bit in there, that's where it's just shaved it all off. So see if I've got some steel ones laying around. Might have an old Traxxas one somewhere that'll fit on it. So yeah, that's an interesting one. I've never had that happen before. Alright, well, see if I can find some new pinions, do some tests on a couple of them, just see what happens. If not, I might just replace the spur with a plastic spur if it keeps shaving them off, but yeah, just thought that was a little interesting bit of information. Alright, well, sorry this video didn't go as planned, but I'll see you all in the next one, where hopefully we've got this not destroying my pinion gears. Alright. Remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one, guys.